Welcome. In front of me is a Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere between those toggles right here you'll find your hotspot toggle. So for me it's right over here. Now once you locate it, hold the toggle. This will then take you to the settings, and in here all I really recommend changing is the hotspot password. You can also just view it if you want to. This will be the password that you will be required to log in with your hotspot or Wi-Fi. But as you can see, the one that is randomly generated right here is just atrocious. So I do recommend probably just removing it and setting up your own. This will simplify things, at least in my opinion. Now your password needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And you can use letters and numbers, it doesn't really matter. Now there is a couple additional settings in here, so you can change them to your liking if you know what they do. But if you're not exactly certain what they might do, I would probably recommend keeping them as they are. This will ensure that your hotspot will be accessible to you whenever you need it. Though from what I can see, there's not very many settings right here. And one last thing, we do have turn off hotspot automatically. I also recommend keeping that on. It is set like that by default. The reason I recommend this on is when you're done using your hotspot, otherwise it will just stay indefinitely enabled, and hotspot does consume more battery on your phone, so if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And personally, when I use it, I sometimes forget to turn it off. It's just not something that you keep track of. Just because you enable it on your phone, you put the phone away and you can utilize your hotspot on like other devices like your computer, but then when you're just ready to go, you don't think about turning it off. When hotspot is not being used for 5-10 minutes, depending on how it's set right here, it will automatically turn it off for you. So it's a good thing to, in my opinion, have enabled. So there we go. Now once you have set up your password and changed whatever else you wanted, you can enable it either from here by tapping on the switch, or by utilizing the actual toggle right here. So right now it is enabled, and I could just grab another device and connect to it. So just to kind of show this off. So it will show up with a Pixel, there we go, Pixel 9448, which was the name of this Wi-Fi network that it creates, as you can see right here. So there we go. Anyway, once you're done with your hotspot, you can also turn it off yourself. So just find the toggle, tap on it, and voila, and now it's off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.